Hello, good day everyone. I am Jovi Molina, a newly promoted Precise Planning Group Manager. May I just share to you my journey about Precise Planning. When I joined this platform, this business, I have zero knowledge about trading. But when PR assured me that I can do trading because there will be trading signals that will be sent to me, I joined the opportunity, and weeks of trading, I discovered that my capital for trading is growing bigger. And so after a month, I decided that I have to join the group of PR. I will follow his footsteps because I have seen that his earnings are increasing. In fact, it's already more than $100. So I joined. I also shared the opportunity to my colleagues and to my friends and to my companion in some of my businesses. I shared to them. And they told me, the company told me that if I reach 15, I will be given a gift of $50. And so I grabbed it. I submitted the report and they gave me $50. I spent that money to conduct a seminar, and there, little by little, it increases. After a week, maybe, after a week, I already have 30 members in my group, and they told me that I can be promoted as manager, and a lot of perks when you are promoted as a manager. And true enough, when I was promoted, 3 days after, they gave me my salary of another $50. I conducted 2 seminars, one in Malaybalay and one in Valencia. More than 40 participants. They gave me the reimbursements. So they, obviously, they are the ones who paid the payment for the room that we occupied, exclusive room that we occupied for the seminar. And what's amazing is they told me that I can have another slot for seminar or training. So I plan to conduct it in Valencia City. And that's the perks that I got of being a manager. And they have been encouraging me to be promoted to regional manager because the salary is bigger, the slot for conducting seminar is higher, and I am aiming for that. For this week, I am aiming, my goal is to help 10 to 15 friends. So to join the company, I will share to them the opportunity of this company. I will share to them the trading skills as well as the business skills, for I know that in time, sooner or later, I will get what I want for here. My goal is for me to become fully financially freedom, so I can retire younger, and maybe I can get another car, maybe I can get another housing unit to be used as rentals. That's my long-term goal, and with the help of God, I know I can do it. God bless everyone. Good morning.